Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an SSH key to GitHub and macOS terminal, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect an SSH key to GitHub using the macOS terminal, begin by opening your terminal application. Next, check for existing SSH keys by typing the command lsl/.ssh. If you see files named id_rsa and id_rsa.pub, you already have an SSH key. If you do not see these files, you will need to generate a new SSH key. To create a new SSH key, enter the command sshkeygen trsab4096c your email at example.com. Replace your email at example.com with the email associated with your GitHub account. When prompted to save the key, you can press enter to accept the default file location. You can also set a passphrase for added security or leave it blank for no passphrase. After the key is generated, start the SSH agent with the command eval$SSH agent s. Next, add your SSH private key to the SSH agent using the command ssh add k/.ssh/id_rsa. Now, copy your SSH public key to the clipboard by using the command pcopy/.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Log into your GitHub account in a web browser. Go to your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on SSH and GPG keys. Click the green button labeled New SSH Key. In the title field, give your key a descriptive name. In the key field, paste your SSH public key from the clipboard. Click the Add SSH Key button to save your new key. To test your connection, return to your terminal and type sshgit@github.com. If all is set up correctly, you will receive a success message from GitHub. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your SSH key to GitHub using the macOS terminal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.